will place a 450 grams beef slices into a bowl, and then we'll add 1/4 cup cornstarch, and we'll stir it to completely coat. In a bowl, we will combine the ingredients for the sauce. We will first put 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, peeled and minced, then 4 garlic cloves, minced, then 1/3 cup brown sugar. We'll also add 1/3 cup water and 1/4 cup soy sauce. If it's a low sodium soy sauce, we can add 1/3 cup, and also 1 teaspoon chili sauce or Sriracha, 1/3 cup green onions, and we will stir until well combined. Then we will set aside. In a skillet, we will heat 1 tablespoon oil over medium heat. We will add the carrots, peeled and julienned, 1 tablespoon butter. After that, we will add 1 medium bell pepper sliced into strips. We will saute this according to our desired tenderness. If you want it half cooked, it's up to you. We'll remove the vegetables from the skillet. We will add the beef and cook for about 2 minutes per side. We will then add the vegetables back into the skillet and pour the sauce and stir to combine. We'll turn the heat to medium-low and cook until the sauce thickens for about 3 minutes. We will plate it along with our white rice. We'll garnish a little bit of sesame seed and some green onions. There you go, our easy, flavor-packed Mongolian beef. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye!